It was a quiet afternoon at the Fall River Railroad. The two steam engines, Tomek and Pierre, had awoken to see that no work was needed to be done. And not wanting to sit in an awkward silence, Tomek decided to socialize.
So Pierre, did the boss give you the day off too?
Yep.
Oh, well, cool.
Yeah, so, what do you think you want to do today?
I don't know. Hey, you want to go bump the carts around for a little bit?
I really swear to God.
Yeah, I kind of feel bad for them, you know? Being so small, weak, and feeble.
Feeble? Oh, why, you stupid son of a gun.
Sheesh, I'm so bored. Why hasn't the boss been letting us out to do any work lately?
Well, didn't you hear, Pierre?
Hear about what?
The water shortage that's been plaguing the American nation and world government.
Oh, well, what does that have to do with us still?
Well, we do kind of run on water.
Oh, well, the Earth is covered in water. Shouldn't that be enough, Tomek?
Well, not all water is usable.
Wait, what?
Oh, you poor, naive Pierre,
Said Tomek without moving his mouth.
Allow me to explain it. The Earth is covered in water, but 97% of it is salt water,
Oh,
Said Pierre with little concern in his voice.
Oh, but it gets worse, Pierre.
Said Tomek.
Whereas 3% of the Earth's water is available, 79% of it is covered in huge ice glaciers.
oh my god.
Said Pierre, beginning to worry.
Oh, but that's not all, my friend. Even though they only cover about 20% of the fresh water in the United States, a variety of caves and landscapes hold about only 40% of US groundwater. That alone leaves us with an average of only 1% of all the fresh water that we'll need on Earth.
Holy sugar honey iced tea!
Said Pierre, who now felt terrified, but also quite excited about the way he created his own sailor mouth words for the first time in his natural-born life.
And think about it like this, Pierre. There are over 7 billion greedy people on this planet who all require a taste of water, so it's getting hard to give to us trains anymore. And in the near future, there will be over 42 million people on this planet who all require food, shelter, and of course, water. If we keep abusing the power of the aquatic nectar of the gods we have already, it could mean the end of the line for trains everywhere.
Wow, this really opened up my eyes to witness the cold-hearted reality of the world we live in today. Sheesh.
Well, there's your educational lesson of the day, Pierre.
I mean, good lord, I was such a downer, wasn't I?
Hey, I don't make this stuff up, okay? I just keep up with the news from time to time. But seeing as how we're not dead yet, I think it's time that we get together and provide some of our favorite activities.
You mean?
Oh, yeah.
No, please. I didn't mean it. Attention members of the Fall River Railroad. Please report to your assigned duties of the day.
Well, another day, another dollar, I always say. Or was it another day, another nickel? Never mind. All right, come on, Pierre. We've got work to do.
Right behind you, Tomek.
Well, yeah, you fellas go. I'll catch up. I may be a little low on water right now, but hopefully I'll be able to refuel again once I get me some good old Mountain Dew.
I'm sorry, Jackson, but I just won't approve of that.
Aw, come on now, boss. I gotta have something.
Sorry, Jackson, but you know that Mountain Dew's only known to make people sick if you drink too much. And besides, it's got a lot of caffeine in there, and it can make you spaz out too, so I wouldn't approve of it.
Well, as you can see, I'm just running low on water right now. So I thought that maybe I can get some Mountain Dew to refuel so I can be prepared for work. I mean, just think of the commercials.
No, Jackson. No, Jackson, I already told you no. Jackson, that's enough. Now I want everybody to report to their assigned duties of the day.
Man, this is terrible. How am I supposed to go without having any Mountain Dew? I gotta get me some Mountain Dew! Okay, look, this might sound crazy, but you've got to give me all of your Mountain Dew in the world, please!
Okay, man. Just don't kill me.
I'm just a married man with a wife and 20-something children, and I need to get some extra credit for my work before I meet God. Oh yeah, I just love me some Mountain Dew, boy!
Hiya, Jackson. How are you?
Oh, I'm, doing just fine, I guess.
Hey, is that Mountain Dew you're carrying? If so, can I have some?
Another lonely night of binge-watching streaming services on my driver's laptop. You know what? I think I need a job. Hey, Mr. Guard, please look in the folder cabinets so I can whip out another plan once again as proof that diesels are better than steamies. Right, let's see. Plan R. Recessions. Never thought I'd stoop this low.
What do you want, Denzel?
Afternoon, boss. I have something very important to tell you.
Are you sure, Denzel?
Yes, boss. I've been thinking about you lately.
Wait, you have?
Absolutely, boss. I wanted to know if I can join your team of steam engines.
Well, I thought you'd never ask, Denzel. Perhaps maybe you can go join the team starting on Monday.
Actually, I was looking for work to do, that's all.
But Denzel, I thought that we had something special.
No, wait, don't take it the wrong way, boss. Just bring me over a passenger train or a freight train and we'll just get this over with.
It's too late for that now, Denzel. I just don't see us being related eye to eye.
But boss, I love you and your off-screen figure.
I'm sorry, Denzel, but you must leave. If you'll excuse me, I'm gonna go cry some more.
Drat! Hear me now, boss. One day I'll find a job and I'll prove that diesels are better than steamies. Well, back to more streaming.
We're here at the Fall River Railroad for the first day of the highly anticipated new Christmas item. And as you can see, it's really pumping. That's right, canned fruitcake. What do you say we go see our two creators of canned fruitcake and figure out what they were thinking?
Hi, everybody. My name is Tomek, and this is Pierre.
What's up?
And you see, we actually created fruitcake because we really like Christmas.
And what brought you to this momentous decision, my good men?
Christmas, that's all.
I've been chasing after canned fruitcake my whole life. Let's just hope that it tastes better than old prunes.
And what is your opinion on this decision, sir?
How am I supposed to compete with canned fruitcake? I just can't seem to get anybody down to the diesel depot, and nobody wants to spend Christmas with me. The Grinch joke's entirely intended, by the way.
Looks like this anchor's gotta go hop in line, because he needs to go get himself some canned fruitcake.
You know, I just can't believe what a wonderful Christmas we've had.
Agreed. You should have seen me with my passenger train. I almost felt like the Polar Express for a minute.
And to make matters better, apparently I've been looking forward to getting myself some canned fruitcake. Ooh. Yeah, I don't want to burst your bubble, Houston, but the fruitcake concept has been fresh out.
Yeah, I heard that Tomek and Pierre had to close up shop for the night. I'm just kidding, Houston. Look.
Why, fellas, why, you shouldn't have.
Happy holidays, pal.
Wow, sure was nice of that boss to lend me a train full of donated furniture for me to go sell. And to be honest, I wonder who my first customer will be. Ah, I think there's one up close. Good morning, sir. Could I offer you some donated furniture today?
Why, surely, my boy. And as an offer, how would you like to share my can of worms with me? They're nice and fresh.
Yeah, I gotta go. Well, that was odd, to say the least. Well, hopefully this next house will go a little smoother.
Holy shoot! What? What do you want?
Oh, dear Lord. Hello, ma'am. Could I interest you in some donated furniture?
What? What are you selling?
He's selling furniture!
Furniture?
Yeah!
Listen to me, kid. I think you're misunderstood. We were just about to move out of this place.
Well, madam, doesn't look like you've had some donated furniture in quite a while. Unless you can buy some with the help of your sister's credit card.
That's my ma, you idiot.
I see.
Look, kid, I don't want any of your stinking furniture.
Well, ma'am, what if I was to offer you double the amount? You gotta save all that money for a rainy day.
Well, all right. You've convinced me.
And so, because of Houston's good deed, he was offered a reward when he got to the works. But I mustn't tell you people about that. Why? Spoilers!
Wow, I look really nice and green. I think it suits my character quite well, much like Jackson with his red paint. Speaking of which, I wonder what he's doing. Spare a job for me, please? Aw. Oh, spare a job for me, ma'am?
Attention members of the Fall River Railroad. Please report to your assigned duties of the day.
Well, I guess we better get right to it. Hey, Pierre, it's time to wake up.
Why?
Aw, come on now, Pierre. Don't be such a cranky puss. You know the old saying, another day, another dollar.
But we don't even get paid. Work, work, work. That's all I'm good for. Well, now he's speaking my language.
Well, well, well. If it isn't another piece of old, redundant, scrap-worthy technology.
Oh no. What do you want, Grant?
I'm trying to figure something out. It's 2021, and yet your boss is still using steam power. Tell me, how in the bloody heck does that make any sense?
I don't know. I guess it makes about as much sense as a contradictory subject about steam power, which you are one to talk, by the way.
Oh, so now you want to make some jokes?
Yeah, I got jokes.
Alrighty there, mate. Let the battle commence. Lenny, you be the referee. But I wasn't planning on being a part of this.
Too late.
Fine. Alrighty there, here we go. Your mama is so fat that when I tried to drive around her, I'd get lost.
Hey, what's going on here?
It looks like they're having a Yo Mama's joke war. Let's go see.
Oh yeah, Grant? Well, your mom is so brain dead that she started to dream about being asleep in her own bed, but really she was sleeping on the floor.
5 points for Pierre. Oh yeah? Well, your mother is so creepy that she causes teenagers' eyes to bleed.
Ooh, that's gotta be sick, yo.
10 points for Grant.
Your mother is just as big as a whale.
Well, at least he's getting better. 15 more points for Pierre. Your mama's teeth are so yellow that crows start pecking it thinking it's corn.
Oh, sting.
20 more points for Grant.
Well, your mom is... All right, let me think. And I think I'm going to stress this for you. I...
Whoa, what's going on here?
Boss?
Pierre and Grant are at it with a Yo Mama's joke war.
Oh, is that so? Well, try this on for size, Grant. Your mama is so fat that she got attacked by a whale, and so she was rushed to the hospital, but the doctors couldn't do surgery on her because her belly button created a giant wind tunnel, so the doctors instead incorporated a few operations, and so 3 days later she spent the rest of her life as a fat mermaid bus driver, taking little guppies to school underneath her belly. Check. Mate.
I think we know who the winner is.
Yeah! In your face, loser!
Ooh, just you wait, you little green caterpillar. I'll come back. I always come back.
Go back to Hollywood, you knucklehead. You'll like it there. So, how was your work day today, Pierre?
It was pretty good, Tomek. I got into a Yo Mama's joke war with Grant.
And did you win?
Absolutely. The boss chipped in at the last minute.
Oh, cool beans.
Good morning, Denzel.
Good morning, my cylinder therapist, Allie.
What seems to be the problem?
I just feel miserable. Something doesn't seem quite right.
Perhaps you were hungover because of your bad temper and heavy diesel fueling.
Well, yeah, that's for starters, but got this weird feeling on the inside of my engine. Like something's been missing out of my life for a long time.
You need to go to the repair shop, Denzel.
Allie, going to the repair shop is not gonna do me any good.
Last time I went, all the workmen did was stick a thermometer in my front exhaust pipe until it dropped inside, and I basically had to spit it out of my mouth.
Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going back to my cable shows.
Oh yeah, now that's what I call thick, luxurious.
Hey, what's the big idea?
No more of your cable shows, Denzel, until you go to the repair shop.
Oh, fine. It's worse than I can ever imagine.
This isn't some kind of revelation, you idiot! Why don't you make yourself useful and tell me something I don't know?
Well, after running a few tests, it would also appear that you have a severe case of overheating. Oh no, not overheating! Yes, well, unfortunately, it is quite the case. All these years of rushing through the yards while complaining about my dead dreams for a brighter future is just leaving my engine to splutter so much. Yes, you must go find yourself a new generator pronto. Otherwise, your working days are severely limited, and you don't want that now, do you? But the only place that I can get a new one in the town is the Rhode Island docks. Well, it's your choice, Denzel. You need to do what you need to do. Oh, dang it all!
Well. If it isn't old Denzel, taking the direct approach to get another job, while theorizing that diesels are better than steamies without showing conclusive proof, huh? Well, guess what, Denzel? You're still not getting it.
Chris, your attitude is no secret to anyone, you know.
No, it's not my attitude problem.
Chris, I'm not even here for that. I need a new generator for my engine.
Wait, you want a new generator? Is that what you've been asking for?
Chris, this is serious. I've got a bad case of overheating, and I need this new generator right away.
I see. Well, I'd be happy to help, Denzel, but there's a problem.
And what is that?
I don't seem to be having as much generators your size, me lad. Sorry.
It's no use. Guess I'll just go wallow in my own self-pity at the diesel depot. Thanks for nothing, Chris. Wait! I just need to go home, go online to eBay, and see if they have new generators. Here I come, baby! One eBay search later, Denzel went home and was being fitted with a new generator. And as luck would have it, he started to purr comfortably. Haha! That was fantastic! Don't I feel good as new, my cylinder therapist Allie?
That generator was too expensive.
So, who's up for some scary story night, huh? All right. Now you speak my language. Oh, I see. Another one of your scary story nights, huh? Well, I've got quite the tale for you. Look, Everett, not to be a bother, but your stories always somehow end up with you snoozing on your tender.
Hey, come on, Jackson. Just give the old engine a chance. Let him tell his stories, huh? Yeah. Besides, the punchlines are usually my favorite. Oh, the indignity.
What's the matter with you, Gordon?
I don't know, James, but I have the strangest feeling that somewhere in America, another engine's using my possible t-shirt slogan. And he didn't use my permission.
Yeah, I'm gonna pretend I didn't hear that. Now go back to sleep.
Alright, now it all started off quite like this. It was Halloween night, and me and my driver decided to settle down for the night after a hard day's work. And what better way to spend Halloween night than with a little streaming service on your television and enjoying a taste of sour frittles in my driver's mouthwash? Okay, why would your driver keep sour frittles in his mouthwash? Now this is where it gets good. So me and my driver decided to kick back, relax, got a couple of snacks, turned on the television, and decided to binge watch Kirstie Alley's prank phone call specials. The end. For God's sakes, how is this even part of the bloody story, Everett? I mean, it's not even scary to begin with. Well, it is for me, at least. I've never heard a woman talk so much about receiving plenty of prank phone calls from a bunch of young whippersnappers in my entire life before. Ugh.
So, what happened then?
I posted about how most prank calls really aren't that funny on the internet. Oh, mother of mercy, those replies would be horrifying. That story is pretty scary. Wait a minute. Everett, what do you think you're doing? This bites.
What bites, Jackson?
Well, for starters, out of all the ways we could have served a much better probation for forcing our drivers to bring home and tickle the president's feet, it just had to be shunting.
Well, I don't know. I mean, I thought he found it funny.
There you guys are. I gotta run down to the docks to get more rolling stock to deliver more coal. As you can see, these trucks have gotten much too old over the years to the point where not even the highest amount of OxyClean can scrub out all that soot and filth. God rest their souls. Do you think you can handle that?
Absolutely, Travis.
Not. Good. I'll be back in a few minutes, so don't do anything stupid. I can't believe this is happening.
Aw, don't feel bad about yourself, Jackson. I'm right here and I don't believe it.
Wait a minute. Something's not right here.
What do you mean?
Why is that truck staring at us so awkwardly?
I don't know, Jackson. Maybe he's just making a reference to the Big Brother is watching you poster?
No, worse than that. It must be some kind of yard guarding surveillance drone. We'll never be able to get this job done with that thing distracting us.
So what are we gonna do, Jackson?
We're gonna have to take matters into our own hands and provide some unusual violence.
I'm right behind you, Jackson.
Come on, Pierre. Let's catch the crook! Dear God, what is going on here?
This troublesome truck was giving the both of us a funny look.
Why, that sick monster! Step aside, boys. I'll take it from here.
What in tarnation is going on here?
Maybe we should get out of here.
Agreed.